welcome to my channel. Well, guess what? In this review, we're going to take a look at an RC boat. This is a boat I actually bought myself and I wanted to try RC boats. So I know nothing about boats and I'm about to try it out. Check this out. This is just a box. So here it is right there. There's my boat. And the name of the boat is StealthWake. It is from Horizon Hobby and it is in the ProBoat series. It is not very expensive. Let me show you a little bit more about it. Looking at the rear of the boat, you see we have the normal prop here and the shaft, and this is all plastic. This is your rudder, so you can steer left, right, all that good stuff. These are just little fins to keep it in the water, and you can adjust them if you wish by bending the metal, which they don't suggest, but you could do that. So if you want to keep the nose up or down, just bend this metal here. Looking at the bottom of the boat, you can see the water intake there to cool the motor, and then the water is sent back out right over here. To get inside the boat and change the battery and check out the guts of the boat, just take this cover off. There's a little nose piece. I just got to pull it out right there. You see this little pointy thing that fits in, and when we take this out, we can see the innards. Taking a look inside, you have the water-cooled brushed motor. It's not brushless, it is a brush motor, but that's okay. Then you have the ESC right here, the on and off switch, the shaft that goes down here. You have the receiver, it's a 4-channel. And all the way back here, we have the servo motor, which controls the rudder. And all the way over here, we have the battery connector. It's an EC3, and I'll show you the battery. Now, the boat does come with this battery, which is a 2400 milliamp, 7.2 volt, 6-cell NIMH battery with an EC3 connector. That will get you the speed that's advertised. If you want to go much faster, then you need a LiPo battery, and I have one. I have a 5000 milliamp, 7.4 volt, 50 cc, which is going to give a ton of power. It's a 2-cell battery. I have to change this XT60 connector to the EC3 connector and put it in here, and this boat should go like stink. All right, so the next thing to do is take this boat out and let's try it in the water. Here I am at my local pond. I don't have that much room out here because of the flooding, and it's sort of done some weird stuff with the weeds. See, I have weeds over there, and if I go this way, I have weeds that way. So I'm kind of stuck in this little area. Anyways, this is the first time giving it a try. I know nothing about RC boats, so I'll just take it easy and try not to get it stuck because that water is cold. I do have the NIMH battery in here. My controller's on. Power this on. Should hear a beep. There we go. Got some power there. All right, I got a 1080p camera on the boat, so we'll get a little bit of video image as it's moving along. I'm so used to driving RC cars. I know nothing about the boats, so I'm taking it slow here. Obviously, they do not steer like a car. There we go. That's not too bad. One thing I'm learning is it's not an RC car, so the turning radius is not like a car. And you got no brakes, so stop. Now, this boat does have a reverse on it too, so if you get into trouble, you can go reverse. It's not good there. I'm hitting branches and twigs. Hang on a sec. Let me put it someplace where I can go reverse. Let me just get out of that. There we go. So if I want to come backwards, steer it through the twigs. There we go. There we go. I got the hang of it now. I think, nope, I almost flipped it. Bring it back to me. I didn't get a chance to go full speed, but you could see it was going not too bad for a beginner. I'm going to try this LiPo battery here, which should make it go much faster. When you put a LiPo battery in, there's a little jumper switch right here. You have to change it over to LiPo. All right, I've got the LiPo in. It's got a lot of power. Watch this. I'll try not to get wet. We're good. All right, so I hope you enjoyed my super cool review of the StealthWake. This is a boat that I saw on Amazon, and I picked it up myself because I wanted an RC boat. And this was one of the few boats I could find that was quite large in size, and it had a brushed motor, which brings the price down, but the brush motor could take LiPo batteries because the ESC was pretty good. And this one could do it. As you saw here, I used the LiPo in it, so you can get an awful lot of power, really increase the speed. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It does come with a really cool controller that I'm holding in my hand here, full of grass. Yes, I know it's still on. Give it a thumbs up, and I'm going to put links below where I found it on Amazon. You can check it out. It is not very expensive. And I'll have more RC boat reviews in the future. So for now, I'm going to say thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next one.